In the realm of U.S. fiscal policy, the landscape is poised for potential seismic shifts as new tax proposals for 2025 emerge, aiming to reshape financial obligations for American workers and businesses alike. Central to these proposals is a sweeping agenda spearheaded by measures targeting both individual taxpayers and corporate entities. At its core, the plan advocates for substantial tax reductions benefiting W-2 earners, a group long burdened by financial obligations. Notably, this includes a progressive move to eliminate taxes on tips, a pivotal income stream for service workers nationwide. Such initiatives promise to inject much-needed liquidity into household budgets, fostering a palpable sense of economic relief among middle-class Americans. Simultaneously, the proposal upholds corporate tax cuts, steadfastly maintaining a competitive 21% rate. This stance serves as a bulwark against potential hikes that could stymie entrepreneurial zeal and investment. Proponents argue that sustaining this rate is indispensable for nurturing business expansion and fortifying economic resilience amid global uncertainties. However, the plan isn't solely about internal recalibration. It pivots decisively towards international trade dynamics. Echoing protectionist sentiments, the proposal seeks to levy tariffs on foreign imports, a move aimed at bolstering domestic industries. Yet this maneuver is not without its caveats. While it seeks to shield local producers, it runs the risk of escalating consumer prices and provoking trade frictions on the global stage. Adding to the complexity is the looming expiration of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, an eventuality fraught with implications. Should the act sunset, there looms the specter of heightened tax burdens, underscoring the imperative for voters to weigh these fiscal considerations come election time. Moreover, the proposal contemplates augmenting the standard deduction, a move poised to streamline tax compliance and fortify financial stability for ordinary taxpayers. Such measures, if enacted, promise to mitigate complexities in tax filing while amplifying disposable income for households. Concurrently, adjustments in payroll taxes loom large on the horizon, potentially realigning the fiscal calculus for workers nationwide. While intended to bolster take-home pay, the recalibration could potentially undermine funding for critical social safety nets like Social Security and Medicare, warranting a judicious balance between economic empowerment and fiscal prudence. Beyond the polarizing rhetoric that often characterizes such policy dialogues, the focus remains resolutely on pragmatic outcomes. Emphasizing a lucid understanding of financial impacts over political discord, the proposal strives to foster a more enlightened discourse. It beckons stakeholders to transcend partisan divides and engage in informed deliberations, cognizant of the tangible repercussions that tax policies wield on everyday lives. In essence, the 2025 tax proposals unveiled by current deliberations beckon a watershed moment in American fiscal policy. Propelled by a blend of bold reforms and cautious recalibrations, these measures aspire not just to reshape the economic terrain, but to redefine the financial prospects of a nation at the crossroads of change.